welcome back to Teach It Yourself. In Devious Decimals today, we're answering the question, how do you compare and order decimals? Are you ready? Let's go. Place these decimals in increasing order. 0.53, 0.467, 0.491. Let's use a place value chart to help us answer this question. Draw the place value table on a piece of paper. Make sure you use a ruler to keep it nice and neat. So let's add our numbers to the place value table. 0.53, so we have 0 in the ones, a decimal point, a 5 in the tenths, and a 3 in the hundredths. The second number, 0.467, a 0 in the ones, a decimal point, a 4 in the tenths, a 6 in the hundredths, and a 7 in the thousandths. For the final number, 0.491, a 0 in the ones, a decimal point, a 4 in the tenths, a 9 in the hundredths, and a 1 in the thousandths. So our question was, place these decimals in increasing order. And we know increasing means smallest to largest. Don't forget, when comparing and ordering numbers, we move from left to right, from the greatest value to the lowest value. First, we start with the ones, and all the numbers have zeros. As this doesn't tell us which is greater or smaller, we have to move on to the next place. Next, we compare the tenths. We can see that one of the digits, 5, is greater than the other two. So we have found our largest number, 0.53. Next, we compare the hundredths. And here we can see one of the digits, 9, is greater than the other digit. So we have found our next largest number, 0.491. This means that 0.467 is our smallest number. Using our place value table, we've successfully ordered these decimals in increasing order. 0.467, 0.491 and 0.53. Great job! Go and grab a pencil and paper and let's check to see how much we've learned from today's lesson. Pause the video now and have a go at these questions. We'll have a look through the answers after you've finished. This time the question is asking us to order the decimals in decreasing order, which means starting with the largest and finishing with the smallest. Let's go ahead and place these 4 numbers into the place value table. Remember, when comparing numbers, we must move from left to right, from greatest value to smallest. Let's compare the ones. Here we can see the digit 1 is greater than the zeros, so our largest number is 1.04. Next, let's compare the tenths. Here we can see the digit 9 is greater than the sevens, so our next largest number is 0.932. Next, let's compare the hundredths. Here we can see the digit 6 is greater than 5. So 0.765 is our next largest number. This means that 0.756 is our smallest number. We have successfully ordered these decimals in decreasing order. Well done! So, how did you find this lesson on comparing and ordering decimals? If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with any friends you think might find it helpful. See you next time. Bye.